Hello students, welcome to our general education class. Today's topics are branch of study from page number 16, everyday science from page number 27, what is the ozone hole from page number 28, and next and last chapter today's Mangalyaan, India's mission to Mars from page number 36 and 37. Okay, let's start from page number 16, chapter number 20, branch of study. Different branches of study deal with different areas of knowledge. Filling the blanks with the correct words to identify the branch of study. Number 1. Anatomy is the study of the structure of the human body. Number 2. Cardiology is the study of the heart. Number 3. Etymology is the study of origin of words. Number 4. Horticulture is the study of gardening. Number 5. Linguistics is the study of languages. Number 6. Mythology is the study of myths and fables. Number 7. Nephrology is the study of kidneys. Number 8. Numerology is the study of numbers. Number 9. Psychology is the study of mind. Number 10. Sociology is the study of society. Number 11. Dermatology is the study of skin. Number 12. Ergonomics is the study of people at work. Number 13. Geology is the study of the earth crust. Number 14. Hydrology is the study of water resources. Number 15. Microbiology is the study of microscopic organisms. Let's read from this page. Info bites. Pythagoras was considered a master mathematician born in Greece. He demonstrated a natural gift with numbers. He is often called the father of numerology. It is believed that he spent many years of study in Egypt and other parts of the world. Learning the ancient science of numbers, he later brought this knowledge to Greece and taught for nearly 40 years and established a philosophy of numbers that is called the Pythagorean system of numbers. Our next chapter from page number 27. Everyday science. Science is the part of our everyday life. Underline the correct option to answer the following questions. Number 1. Which gas is usually filled in an electric bulb? Here given 3 options. Right answer is option 1, nitrogen. Number 2, which of the following is used as a lubricant? Answer is graphite, option 2. Number 3, the property of a substance to absorb moisture from the air on exposure is called deliquescence. Number 4. Galvanized iron sheets have a coating of Zinc. Answer is zinc. Number 5. Chlorofluorocarbon CFC, gas which is responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer, was earlier used in which domestic equipment? Answer is refrigerator. Number 6. Balloons that rise high in the air are filled with which gas? Answer is helium. Number 7. Which type of mirror is used in the headlight of cars? Answer is concave. Number 8. What is another name of frozen carbon dioxide? Answer is dry ice. Number 9. Which type of lens does a camera use to form an image? Answer is convex lens. Number 10. If we heat on end of a metallic rod, the other end gets hot. This method of heat transfer is called? Answer is conduction. Our next chapter, chapter 22, from page number 28. What is the ozone hole? In this chapter, we read about ozone layers and ozone hole. Let's start. The earth is wrapped in a blanket of air called the atmosphere, which is made of several layers. From here, many inside questions like what is atmosphere? Okay, next line. At about 19 to 30 kilometers above the earth is a layer of gas called ozone. Same here, what is ozone? How to produce ozone gas? And how many so far ozone layers from earth? Next line. Which is a form of oxygen. Ozone is formed when sunlight hits oxygen molecules and breaks them into individual molecules. These individual molecules then join up with O2 molecules to make O3 or ozone. Symbol of ozone, O3. Why do we have an ozone layer? The ozone layer is a very important because it stops to many of the sun's ultraviolet UV rays getting through on the earth. These are rays that cause our skin to tan, cause harm to plants and animals. What is the ozone hole? Every spring, a hole as big as USA develops in the ozone layer, and over Antarctica in the South Pole, a smaller hole developed is years over the Arctic at the North Pole. Moreover, there are signs that the ozone layers is getting thinner and thinner all over the planet. Scientists have discovered that the ozone hole over Antarctica started forming in 1979 and that the ozone layer generally started to get thin in the early 1980s. What causes the ozone hole? One group of gases, CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, cause maximum damage to the ozone layer. This group of gas is a combination of carbon, chlorine and fluorine. CFC are used in some spray cans to force the contents out of the can. They are also used in refrigerators, air conditioning system and some fire extinguishers. They are used because they are not poisonous and do not catch fire. So this is causes of ozone hole. Next topic, the ozone hole and our health. How to relate it, ozone hole and our health. The ozone layer is like a sunscreen, and thinking of it would mean that more ultraviolet rays would be reached us. Too much UV rays can cause sunburns and deadly disease like cancer. These UV rays are also dangerous for our eyes and could causes an increase in the people becoming blind. What have we done about it? In 1987, the Monterey Protocol was signed by 25 countries to control the emissions of CFCs. Today, more than 168 nations are parties to the accord. To some extent, the role of CFCs has been replaced by the less damaging hydrochlorofluorocarbon HCFCs. Although these are concerned regarding HCFCs, to today's last chapter, chapter 23 from page number 36 and 37. In 36, Mangalyaan, India's mission to Mars. In the past few years, terms like Mangalyaan Mars Orbiter Mission, Mars Orbiter Mission of short form MOM, and NASA are suddenly in news. Read below and know why these terms were in news. First, the launch. ISRO, or the Indian Space and Research Organization, is India's primary space agency. On November 5, 2013, ISRO launched the Mangalyaan from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota range. Its official name was the Mars Orbiter Mission MOM. Mangalyaan, which means Mars craft in Sanskrit, was the first interplanetary probe ever launched by India. Second, the mission. Mangalyaan was conceptualized to be able to gauge the resources required for planning, managing technology and operations of an interplanetary mission. It would also look for indications of life of Mars, such as the gas methane. Next, the cost. For Mangalyaan, Mangalyaan has been termed as the most cost-effective project with a total expenditure of only raised 450 crores. Many even call it is the cheapest Mars mission till date. Next, the discovery. The Mangalyaan successfully entered the Mars orbit its first attempt on September 24, 2014. While in the Martian orbit, the Mangalyaan has sent across some breathtaking image of Mars, revealing the extinct volcanoes and deep valleys on the red planet. Some 350 stunning photos of Mars have already been beamed back by the satellite. Next, the achievement. Mangalyaan or MOM made global history as India became the first country to successfully reach the Martian orbit in its debut attempt. ISRO also became the fourth space agency in the world to have successfully completed a mission to Mars. It comes after the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) of the US. Next, Russian Federal Space Agency (RFSA), and third, European Space Agency (ESA), and fourth, India. From this page, info bites. Mangalyaan, India's maiden mission to Mars, completed a year in space on 24 September 2015. A part of the first anniversary celebration, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO launched Mars Atlas in Bengaluru. Some of the photographs from this atlas can be seen on the next page, page number 37. In this page, here given pictures: Mars as photographed by Mangalyaan. Second picture, Gale crater on Mars. Third picture, Tyrannus Mons on Mars. And right side here, picture Mars Curiosity rover spacecraft. Let's read from page number 37. Answer is the following question. Number 1. Mars is often called the red planet, the presence of which mineral imparts a red tint to its surface. Answer is iron oxide. Number 2. The largest mountain in the solar system is found on Mars. What is its name? Answer is Olympus Mons. Number 3. Planet Mars has 2 moons. One is called the Dense. Name the other. Phobos. Number 4. The main engine of the Mangalyaan was named after a character from the Ramayana. What was it called? Answer is Kumbhakaran. Number 5. What was the name of the NASA's spacecraft that reached the orbit of Mars 2 days before the entry of Mangalyaan in the same orbit? Answer is MAVEN, full form of MAVEN, Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution Probe. Number 6. NASA has the record for sending the biggest robotic rover ever to a planet. It was sent to Mars on November 26, 2011. What was it called? Answer is Curiosity rover. Number 7. Mars was the Roman god of what? Answer is war. Number 8. Which country has named its unmanned probe mission to Mars as hope? Answer is UAE. Right sides given informations. NASA and other space agencies are working hard to find out whether there is a life of Mars. These space agencies has been sending a spacecraft to orbit or land on this planet, and each mission teaches more about this fascinating planet. Here are some of the findings. Number 1, a compass points to the North Pole and Earth because our whole planet acts like a giant magnet, but on Mars it does not do so, as the gravity there is a very low. It is also subject to more space radiations. Number 2, some measurements tell us that there is a water on Mars, but it is far less than on Earth. It is so cold there that most of the water is not liquid but rather ice. Overall, Mars would be a pretty uncomfortable place to live on. Number 3, many space agencies are also making an attempt to know whether there used to be life on Mars. So, in addition to looking for living bacteria, it is also searching for tiny fossils that might indicate for presence of life in the past. Today we have completed 4 chapters. Okay students, bye bye.